Alright, so welcome back. In the first part of this lesson, we're going to be going over the flatted 7th chord and the different ways we can use that. Of course, your flatted 7th is just you take your 7 and then you flat it. Okay, so it's usually used as just a straight major chord in most of your songs. Like for instance, the presence of the Lord is here. If we did that in C, the presence of the Lord is here. The presence of the Lord is here. And it's usually followed by your 4 chord. So just like we did there, or maybe followed by like a 4/6 to the 1. And of course, very important to practice all of these in every single key. That'll be provided for you in your study info in your handout. Or it can also be used going to your 6th chord, your 6th major chord. So 1, flatted 7, 6. You could also use as the 7th. It could also be like a 7th walk down, B flat 7 to A7, or it could be used as a C9, B flat 9, A9. So there's a lot of different ways that it could be used. Another way we see it commonly used is in slow songs as a 9 chord. Like Jesus, you're the center of my joy. You're the heart of my contentment, hope for all I do. Okay? So you heard that progression a lot. 1, 5, typical 5 minor 7 to the 1 to the 4. And then right there to the B flat 9. And it usually goes B flat 9 over A flat. We do a little walk down the left hand. Okay? And then do your typical ending. That's another really common way that it's used. In fact, those are really probably the 2 most common ones. You also see it used a lot as a major 9, like in slow songs. Really common. Okay, but that's pretty much the same thing as a major chord. So those are a couple different ways we can use the B flat when we're playing in songs. You also hear it as a 3-note walk-up. Going back to the 1 chord, but you'll hear flatted 7th, 7th, and then straight back to the 1. So those are pretty much the most common ways that you're going to hear the B flat being used. There's a lot of other ways that it's used, but not commonly. Commonly, those are the most popular ways that it's used. So once again, very important, practice it in every single key. You'll find the progressions for this in your handout. We're not going to go through it here. And all right, God bless. We'll see you back here for the next part of your lesson.